Example number 1, evaluate triple integration dx dy dz divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square taken throughout the volume of sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 in positive octant only. So volume of integration is volume of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 in positive octant. So since volume of integration corresponds to sphere, converting the integral into spherical polar coordinates, that is x equal to r sin theta cos phi, y equal to r sin theta sin phi, and z equal to r cos theta, r square equal to x square plus y square plus z square, dx dy dz equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Limits for the sphere in positive octant are r equal to 0 to 1, theta equal to 0 to pi, and phi equal to 0 to pi by 2. So the integral will become triple integration dx dy dz divided by 1 minus root of 1 minus x square plus y square plus z square dx dy dz. So limits of theta 0 to pi by 2, phi 0 to pi by 2, r 0 to 1, dx dy dz equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi, and root of 1 minus x square plus y square plus z square equal to r square. Now since all the limits are constant and it is possible to separate the terms in r theta phi, we can write above the triple integration as multiplication of three single integrals. So phi, the terms in phi is d phi only, limits are 0 to pi by 2. Terms in theta is sin theta d theta, limits 0 to pi by 2, and terms in r are r square divided by root of 1 minus r square, r equal to 0 to 1. The d phi term is integrated, sin theta is integrated, and the last integral kept as it is. And then we have I equal to pi by 2 I1. So I1 equal to integration from r equal to 0 to 1 r square 1 minus r square dr. Substitute r equal to sin t. Don't take theta, theta is already used in the integral therefore. So dr equal to cos t dt, limits r equal to 0, sin of t equal to 0, t equal to 0, r equal to 1, sin theta is 1 when theta is pi by 2. So all these values are substituted, then the integral is solved and it is pi by 4. This pi by 4 value is substituted in equation number 1 to get the final answer. Next example, evaluate integration from 0 to infinity, integration from 0 to infinity, integration from 0 to infinity, dx dy dz divided by 1 plus x square plus y square plus z square square. So see, limits are x equal to 0 to infinity, y equal to 0 to infinity, and z equal to 0 to infinity. These are the limits of a positive octant. So volume of integration is the volume of whole positive octant. So we have to convert the integral into spherical polar coordinates. Substitute the value of x, y, z, then r square, then dx dy dz equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. Limits are r equal to 0 to infinity, since it is positive octant, therefore theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, phi equal to 0 to pi by 2. Then see how the integral will change. Phi equal to 0 to pi by 2, theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, r equal to 0 to infinity, dx dy dz equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi, and then 1 plus r square square. Then since all the limits are constant and the terms are separable, three single integrals are written. Again it is difficult to integrate the terms in r, so keep as it is. The terms in d phi are integrated. Phi is the integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. Then we have pi by 2 I1. See what is the value of I1. I1 equal to integration from 0 to infinity r square 1 plus r square square dr. So substitute r equal to tan t. So dr equal to sec square t dt. Limits will be when r equal to 0, tan t equal to 0, t equal to 0, r equal to infinity, tan t equal to infinity, tan theta is infinite for pi by 2. Then all the values are substituted in above integral. Then it is simplified to get integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin square t dt, and by reduction formula it is equal to pi by 4.